Currently, kitchens are more and more often connected to the living room, so they should not only be functional, but also aesthetically fit into the common space. The EasyClick LED lighting system is based on 4 predefined elements that you just need to connect with each other. At the very beginning, you should choose the surfaces that you would like to illuminate. Then choose the place for a switch, making sure that you have easy access to it. The LED driver can be hidden behind cabinets or hidden in a plinth. In the EasyClick system, completing all the necessary elements consists of only 5 steps, and it will take you 75% less time than before. You do not have to count or compare anything. For your convenience, each LED strip is equipped with a factory-installed power cable with a length of 2 meters, finished with a mini AMP connector. The LED strips are 2 meters long with the possibility of shortening them to the desired length. However, remember that the LED strip can only be cut in the marked places. Time to choose the LED strip. The low-density LED strip has 60 LEDs on 1 meter of its length, so after turning it on, the light points will be visible. Use this LED strip in places where the line of light will be invisible, for example, under the tabletop or inside lower cabinets. The dense LED strip has twice as much the density of LEDs. Thus, the visibility of the light points is lower. You can use such a LED strip in places where the line of light is visible. So, for example, in upper cabinets. The most versatile choice is a COB LED strip, which creates an even line of light, has a wider beam angle than traditional LED strips, and uses less energy. Unlike other LED strips, this one is available in 5-meter sections, finished with a power cable on both sides. Use the very light LED strip in places where you need as much light as possible, for example, above the tabletop. Due to the much higher efficiency than in the case of other LED strips, it works only with switches, under-counter, wireless, and touchless dimmable. The light, apart from the brightness, also has a color temperature that can affect our mood and the way we see colors. It is good when in a room with a specific function, for example a kitchen. All light sources have the same color temperature. Its choice is left to your individual preferences. Specifying the number of LED strip sections allows you to select the LED driver correctly. If you do not know how many of them you need, draw a sketch of the room and mark where you would like the light to appear. The number of lines equals the number of sections. Our LED driver, which is the heart of the entire system, is practically maintenance-free. On one side, it has a factory-installed power cable. On the other side, mini AMP sockets, to which a switch is plugged. No unscrewing or soldering. Connect to the mains and it works. The slim case allows you to hide the LED driver behind the cabinets. You do not have to count, compare, or assume a power reserve in the EasyClick system. It is enough to stick to the selection patterns. Even if you shorten the LED strip, everything will fit together. See how simple it is on the example of the low-density LED strip. If you want to power 2 sections of the LED strip, regardless of its color temperature, you should choose a 20-watt LED driver. When there are 4, 5, or 6 sections to be powered, a 60-watt LED driver will be appropriate. The LED drivers for other LED strips are selected similarly. The LED strip cannot function without an aluminum profile that dissipates generated heat. You can choose from 3 variants of shapes, each available in the following colors: white, black, or silver. Here, we have also taken care of your comfort because no matter which one you choose, you will receive a complete set including a 2-meter profile, a milky cover, and 2 end caps. Just remember that the number of profiles should be equal to the number of LED strip sections. Many people are not aware of it, but the switch is the key to comfortable use of lighting. In the EasyClick system, you do not have to explore the technical parameters of the switch. It is enough that you define your needs. For example, do you want it to respond to touch, have a dimming function, or maybe it should react to movement? Our recommendation is a wireless touch switch that connects to the controller via radio waves. Its range is up to 12 meters, which allows you to place it literally anywhere in the room. A longer touch activates the dimming function. The under-counter switch is completely invisible after installation. Therefore, it will be appreciated especially by minimalist solutions lovers. It can be used with tops not thicker than 40 millimeters. The touch switch recessed into the body is one of the most popular solutions. Its small size will not disturb the aesthetics of your furniture in any way. A longer touch activates the dimming function. In lacquered furniture, it is good to use accessories with a similar finish. The chrome switch has a subtle blue backlight to make it easier to find it at night. The dimming function is also activated by a longer touch. The touchless switch reacts to the movement, and it works in 2 modes. Single pole, so as in a refrigerator. As long as the sensor sees an obstacle, in this case the cabinet door, the light remains off. In this mode, the dimming function is not active. In 2-pole mode, the sensor reacts to the movement. It is enough to cover it for a moment, for example with your hand, to turn on the light. Covering it again will turn it off. The dimmer function is activated by covering the sensor for a longer time. The switch based on 2 peer motion sensors will be perfect for a dressing room or a wardrobe. It works by detecting the difference between the temperatures of our body and ambient. Additionally, if we happen to leave the door open after taking out clothes from the wardrobe, the switch will keep the power for 45 seconds and then turn off the lighting. The EasyClick system is a way to implement any lighting project. Predefined components, clear diagrams, and tool-free connection of elements will make any of your ideas come true easily and quickly. And what will yours be?